So guys, just because you're staying at home doesn't mean you have to miss out on some amazing cocktails. The Jameson Kitchen Cocktails, we're going to show you how to make some fantastic cocktails in your kitchen using stuff you can find around your kitchen, okay? So we're going to do today, Black Barrel Whiskey Sour. I'll show you first what we need. Okay, your classic whiskey sour. I'm going to be using a cocktail shaker. If you don't have that, do not fear. Simply grab an empty jam jar, a water bottle, or a protein shaker. That will do the same job. A measure, if you don't have a measure, get the lid off a Jameson original bottle. 4 lids is the same as 50 ml. So to start off, our whiskey is going to be 50 ml. Here we go. Next up is our lemon juice. That is going to be 25, a full small. Next up is our sugar. We're going to go 15 ml. So that's around halfway up. Now I'm using brown sugar. It's 1 cup sugar, 1 cup boiling water, stir, let it dissolve. And also our egg whites. Now 1 large egg should do 2 drinks, but we want to use a full egg per drink. Should you be looking at a vegan substitution, use the liquid off chickpeas, aquafaba, perfect vegan replacement, does the same job. The final step is my bitters, 3 nice heavy dashes. There we go. And now ice goes in, lid goes on top, flip upside down, and just hard as you can. Go. I'm gonna grab my strainer. If you're using a water bottle, you can hold a fork over it, 2 forks, hold them in place. Do the same trick, and just strain out. And there we go, classic whiskey sour. Now, just for a garnish, I'm gonna use some lemon peel. I'm just gonna hold it over, squeeze some oils out, get that nice lemon aroma. On the edge, do a little twist, and on the side of the glass it goes, and your whiskey sour. The Jameson was always made to be shared, and in times like this, best share with a friend over webcam. Stay safe, let's launch it.